I wasn't planning on sharing this, but I think this is going to help someone here, which is why a lot of people can't stay consistent in the gym and achieve their fitness goals. So I want to talk to you guys about the 3 most common reasons why people slack off in the gym. So this first one is probably the most common reason why people fall off in the gym is because they have so much motivation, but they just can't stick to it. And that's the problem there, is the motivation. They don't have that discipline. They don't want to go through the times where it's hard to go to the gym and they still go through it. They just fall off and they just rely too much on motivation. Let me give you a prime example. New Year's. There are so many people that say they're going to wait till New Year's, or once New Year's hits, they're going to start going to the gym. And so what happens? I used to work at a gym, and during the New Year's time, the gym would be so packed. So many people. It's crowded. You can't even use a machine because there's so many people. But what happens? January, busy. February, busy. March slowly starts to die down, and then it just goes back to normal, where you only see the ones who are actually dedicated and consistent in the gym. So now you might be wondering, what is the solution to this? Well, you gotta first build the discipline instead of relying so much on motivation. A couple things you can do to keep yourself accountable is, number one, get a gym partner. Number two, start small. You don't want to overwhelm yourself with a lot of gym information and all these things about fitness. You want to start small, little by little, and then work your way up once you get better and used to the gym. Another solution is building a routine. So I know life can get busy and things happen, right? But one thing that has helped me a lot was just finding a consistent time on when to go to the gym. So if I'm working all morning and afternoon, I know that the best time to go to the gym is in the evening time. And so you want to create that routine, whether it's the weekday, weekend, no matter what. Whenever I know that I'm going to be free, that is when I'm going to plan my gym days. So now the second reason why a lot of people fall off in the gym is because they don't have a clear goal or a plan, especially those who are starting out in the gym. So when you're starting out in the gym and you're fresh, brand new, losing your gym virginity, you walk into the gym with no plan, nothing. You just decide, I want to go to the gym, let me go. And when you're actually there, you're like, oh shit, there's a lot of stuff. What do I do? How do I structure this? I'm lost. And so what happens? A lot of people go to where they're most comfortable, the treadmill. And that's all they do. That's all they do all the time. They go to the gym. It's good. You're still getting your steps in. You're still burning calories. You're still trying to be healthy, right? But the thing is, walking on the treadmill can only take you so far, because then there's going to be a point where you're going to plateau, and then you're not going to see any gains. You're not going to see any improvements. And then you just stop going to the gym. You give up. You're like, what? Gym doesn't work. Why do I even go? Let's just stop. And so the straightforward solution is to create a clear goal and a plan. So what is a goal? Are you trying to get stronger, or are you trying to build a lot of muscle? Which leads to having a plan. You want to make sure that you guys are having a plan, aka a workout routine. You don't want to go into the gym and just winging it, freestyling it, and just hope for the best. There are so many free workout programs that you can find online. You can literally just search it up on Google and you'll find so many different options. So find what's best for you and that suits you, and all you gotta do is just save it. Everyone has a phone. Save it on your phone, so then you have the Monday to Friday, right? Monday, it tells you what to do. Let's say, for example, push day, chest, tris, and shoulders. So Monday, you go in. It shows you what to do for chest, tris, and for shoulders. You're not going into the gym not knowing what to do. You already know what to do. Plus, it saves you a whole lot of time too. You don't have to think about, all right, I want to do pull, back and biceps. What can I do? Literally shows you right there. And so it saves time, but plus you don't look like a chicken with no head. And the final reason is that so many people expect to get crazy fast results. Guys, I've literally been a victim of this. When I first started out, my main goal was just to get abs. I would always search up and try to do those get abs in 30 days or get shredded in 30 days. Like those kind of workouts I was trying to look for. I wanted quick, fast results, whether to feel confident or just to impress the girls back then when I was young, right? And so especially nowadays with social media and the internet, you see people post like their 2-month transformation or 3 months transformation. And the transformation from before and after is fucking crazy. But you cannot believe everything you see online. Those 3 months transformation can be like a 1 year transformation or even a 2 year. People do that kind of stuff online. I'm not joking, but I'm not one of them. And you gotta understand, guys, you cannot compare your journey with other people's journeys. We all start somewhere, but the most important thing is that we are consistent in the gym. If 1 week you go 5 times, and then the other week you go 3 times, and another week 4, the whole point is that you're still going and you're still trying your best. And so my solution for this is focus on the small wins and the long-term progress. Let's say you've been working out for 6 months. Now your shirt's feeling nice. They're fitting now more into your body. Or last month you benched a 45 plate on each side, but now this month you're doing 45 plates on each side plus a 10 on each side. So those small wins, they will add up. And before you know it, guys, this happened to me. Down the line, when you progress a lot and you're serious with the gym and 3-5 years go by, you're gonna look back and you're gonna be like, holy shit, like I made it pretty far. Like I used to have belly fat and now I can see my abs. Or I used to only bench 1 plate, now I'm benching 4 plates. You don't realize it until time goes by and you look back at the old videos. That's also another point you guys should do, is take videos, because this will help you see the actual like physical differences on your phone. When you look back, you're gonna be like, oh shit, the gym actually works. Who would have known, right? But that wraps up my video. Hopefully this helps at least one of you guys who are watching this. Like, comment, sub, all that kind of good stuff. Join my free community. Join my free community in the description below. But until next time, peace.